Hey guys, we're doing the Bliss's hair removal kit overview. What comes in this box, actually this box I got was from Ulta for $24.99, and it comes with a microwavable cup with the wax in it. It also comes with two sizes spatulas and the pre and post oil. Pre and post waxing oil. It does help with managing where the wax is applied to, and it also comes with the instruction sheet. I've heated it up here. It's recommended that you do it in 30-second intervals. I've done it for a minute and a half, and this is the consistency you get. It is liquidy, but it's not the ideal consistency we want. We want it to be even more liquidy. You can see it's a little thick. This is the exact consistency we want. You can tell it's a lot more liquidy, it runs better, and it's hotter, which means it'll stay hotter for a longer period of time during the interim of your Brazilian. Here is my workstation on the bathroom floor with a towel and a mirror. Make sure you have good lighting. Now I did want to share how the strips look like after they've been pulled off of my skin. The wax itself is in 3 to 4 inches in length, and then you can tell that the hair follicle is short. It's 1/4 of an inch long. I noticed that during my waxing, the shorter the hair, the easier to manage. I do conclude my Brazilians with a toner. This prevents from ingrowns and bumps, and this is the brand I use.
Hey guys, Maria here. I just wanted to talk a little bit about my whole Brazilian waxing journey. I have been getting a Brazilian for the past 7 years now, and I've gotten it professionally done, actually no, for the past 8 years, because I have been getting it professionally done for the past 7 years, and this last year I learned to do it myself, and I'm really proud of that, because the beginning stages of me, getting this whole waxing kit and doing it myself was really scary. I had no clue what to expect. I was obviously a newbie. And my pain tolerance is so low. Like, I am a vagina when it comes to pain, and no pun intended there, but it was really challenging in the beginning, and I just really want to share the revelation and discovery I found as a waxer now. I wax myself at home. I'm super happy about it. I'm saving hundreds of dollars. I'm saving time, and time is important because I'm a mom of 2 and I have a full-time job. Getting your own waxing done at home is the best thing, and I perfected my system and my method, and it only takes me 15 minutes to wax myself now, and it's just the best. In the beginning, I had to carve out an hour to wax myself because I didn't really know what I was doing. I didn't know how to pull, I didn't know when to wax, I didn't really know my product well. Now I use the Bliss's wax kit at Ulta. It costs $24.99 at the store, and it lasts me 3 sessions, which means my waxing costs me now $8.30. Before at the salon, I would spend $55, and that's not including tip. And I would have to drive there and make an appointment, and hopefully I don't cancel on the appointment. Now it's like awesome, it's heaven. I feel like I've gained some power back, I'm not like imprisoned by the system per se. I'm still imprisoned by my nail shop because I cannot live without a pedicure. One day I may go into finding out how to do that myself, but right now at-home waxing is legit the best thing ever. So anyway, I use the Bliss's waxing hair kit. It's hard wax. The cup is microwavable, as you could see in the video, and it lasts me 3 times. So it's the best thing. I really encourage everyone to, you know, learn about it. Get yourself, buy yourself a waxing thing and do it and learn. And instead of wasting your money and, you know, having to schedule time out of your day, and then you can learn how to do it super fast. Anyway, check out my next video on the 3 mistakes I made as a rookie Brazilian waxer. Bye guys.